Hi, Nithya. What you're looking at in tummy time is really not happening as well as it should be. And I can tell you right now, your child's not rolling over. And so what we need to do is in tummy time, you should see the spine moving more here. So that sure, your child should be moving more here, and you're getting top heavy. And so that's what's happening there. You should start seeing it. 4 months old, pubic, 4.5 months, pubic bone strike happens, but you should be seeing again where that almost that pre-crawl is happening. And you're seeing more where the hands are moving and the legs are moving. So again, rolling over is not happening. Not grabbing the feet. So those kind of milestones are missing out. And that's what you're missing is you don't have that pump. And so he's just curling up the back end. I'd love to see a couple of videos of actually him lying on his back, or her, sorry, so I can see what's going on in the eye movements as well as the child in laying on their back to see again where the movements are, because I would imagine on the back too you're seeing these kind of movements with the hands versus again where they can move into those kind of movements. And that's where you're seeing, again, the complications of tummy time because you're not seeing the progression. And so the blame is starting to come out. Maybe it's the legs and all that, but actually it's the spine not crossing midline. The rotation is off. If you really want to get into the details, you start off with the newborn movement assessment. You can see that. I would still do the tummy time course and then going into the rolling over course, because rolling over should have happened at 2.5 to 3 months. And so the window is starting to progress, and then the grabbing the feet and so forth course. And those are more in the worried parent, the grabbing the feet and pubic bone strike. So you have those kind of things. So that's where you want to go with that. Thanks.